Okay everyone, this is my latest flip project. So we just gutted this property. It isn't a retirement center, so we had to get a lot of permits, more so than usual, but we're gonna put fireproof recessed can lining. We're redoing this as the kitchen. This is where the entire kitchen goes. So we're gonna redo this. What's gonna really sell this house is that and that. And I'm trying to make it where when people walk in the door, they see that. You can't really see it that clearly, but as you come out here, and I'll do the living room window first, you can see that view. I mean, it's just a priceless, and we're updating the windows here, so we're replacing those, but you see the mountains behind, which is the Saddleback Mountains, and you come over here to the slider, and you see that as well. Here was some extra furniture that was left in the property, but you see that as well on there. And then you get the living room here, so we're looking at laminate colors right now. We're gonna paint. We scraped the popcorn off the ceiling, which was asbestos, so we had to have that done. Come through here, and it's 2 bedrooms. I don't know how well lit this is gonna be. Okay. So one area that I don't like is the hall. The door right here goes right into the bedroom, into the closet. I'd rather make this into a small little cloak closet like it was, and this back into the bedroom. So anyway, this is the bedroom. Right here, bedroom 1, here are the closet doors. There's a closet right there. There's a balcony, we'll have blinds up there. Little closet right there. And the power's off right now. We have the lights out. So here's bathroom 1. So we're gonna do new vanity, new sink, new medicine cabinet. We're gonna just glaze this and redo this. Maybe retrofit, but that's not that bad. New toilet. New towel coat hangers. And then you walk in here, and this is the master, which you got, again, a closet right here. And then you got the closet right back here. So you got the water heater. And then you got the bathroom right here. So you got the toilet, you got the shower, exhaust fans. And we're gonna put a double sink back in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My latest project. So we're gonna be all in at probably about maybe 25 for the rehab. We're buying the supplies ourselves. So it's not too bad. Looking forward to the resale of the property. Got another one coming up in good old Cypress, California. I'll put that one up online next.